Are you looking for an indoor security camera that delivers true 4K video quality, smooth 360-degree coverage, and smart AI detection for your home? If the answer is yes, then you're definitely in the right place. Today we're taking a closer look at the Anona 4K UHD indoor camera and seeing whether it's actually worth your money. Before we begin, I want to quickly mention that this product was sent out for review. However, as always on Review Nest, this does not affect my honest opinion. Everything you'll hear in this video is completely genuine and unbiased. So let's jump right in. Starting with the unboxing experience, inside the box you get the camera itself, a power adapter, a USB-C cable, mounting hardware, an installation plate for wall or ceiling mounting, and a quick start guide. Everything you need to get up and running is included, which is always nice to see. Setting up the camera is very simple. You just plug it in, download the companion app, connect it to your Wi-Fi, and you're ready to go. The camera supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, so you can choose whichever signal works best in your home. That flexibility is helpful, especially if you have a dual-band router. Now let's talk about the most important part, video quality. This camera records in true 4K UHD resolution. That means you're getting significantly more detail compared to 2K or 3K cameras. Whether you're monitoring a hallway, living room, nursery, or even a home office, the footage looks sharp and clear. You also get up to 8x digital zoom, which allows you to zoom into specific areas without losing too much clarity. This can be very useful if you need to check small details like faces, objects, or movement in the background. The camera performs well both during the day and at night. Night vision keeps the image clear even in low light conditions, which is crucial for indoor security. One of the standout features here is the built-in AI detection. The camera can detect people, pets, and even baby crying. Another strong feature is the full 360-degree pan and 110-degree tilt coverage. This means the camera can rotate around the entire room and tilt up or down to give you complete coverage from a single device. You don't need multiple cameras to cover one space. The auto-tracking feature is also impressive. When it detects movement, it automatically follows the subject smoothly so nothing moves out of frame. This adds an extra layer of monitoring accuracy. In terms of connectivity, the Anona 4K UHD indoor camera supports Wi-Fi 6. Now before we move further, if you're finding this review helpful so far, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Review Nest for more honest tech reviews like this one. Let's now talk about the pros and cons clearly. First, the pros. You're getting true 4K UHD resolution, which delivers excellent detail and sharpness. The 360-degree pan and tilt coverage gives full room monitoring from a single device. Smart AI detection reduces unnecessary alerts and identifies people, pets, and baby crying. Wi-Fi 6 and dual-band support ensure faster and more stable connectivity. You have both cloud and local storage options. Setup is simple and beginner-friendly. Auto-tracking keeps moving subjects in frame. Now for the cons. 4K recording can take up more storage space compared to lower resolutions. Some advanced features may require a cloud subscription depending on the plan. Digital zoom is helpful, but it's not the same as true optical zoom. If your internet connection is weak, 4K streaming may occasionally buffer. So overall, is the Anona 4K UHD indoor camera worth it? If you want high-resolution indoor monitoring with smart AI detection, full room coverage, and flexible storage options, this camera is definitely a strong contender. If you're interested in picking one up, I'll leave the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. And once again, if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Review Nest. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.